Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing the latest Asus Zenbook 15 and share with you my initial impressions and a quick hands-on review. Now Ultrabooks are the dream laptop for everyone tries to make them, squeeze everything into them and make it super expensive. So just like many, Asus has the Zenbook lineup just to make ultra sleek and slim laptops. Recently they have launched 3 new laptops in their new Zenbook series in 3 different sizes. Zenbook 13 which starts at 72,000 rupees, Zenbook 14 which starts at 73,000 rupees, and Zenbook 15 which starts at 1,40,000 rupees. We have the 15 in the royal blue color. So guys, this is the box. On the front you just get a quick preview of how the laptop looks like, nothing else. On the back we have the complete specification, serial numbers, model number and so on. By the way guys, this is a review unit, it's already been opened, so we will just have a quick look at the contents and how things are arranged. So once we open the box, at the top we get the laptop. Let me just put that aside for now. Following that is a USB to Ethernet port adapter. Next we have some documentation, a soft fabric for a bit of cleaning. Next we have some more documentation. And finally we get the power adapter. We should also be getting a pouch or a bag for the laptop, but that was missing in this box. Anyway guys, here's the laptop in the blue color with the Zen inspired spun metal finish on the lid. Now let's have a quick physical overview and check out the most highlighting features about this laptop. This laptop is completely made of high quality plastic. At the top it has the spun metal finish. It looks pretty cool, but it's also a fingerprint magnet. On the right side it has a 3.5mm audio jack, HDMI port, a USB 3.1 Type A port, USB Type C port, SD card reader and LEDs for status indication. On the left side it has vents for exhaust, a USB 3.1 port and audio jack. On the back it just says Zenbook series. On the front it's completely plain with a bit of cutout to pull the laptop lid. Now at the bottom it has some stickers and a vent to pull in the air and 2 more cutouts for the speaker. Now once we open the lid, we are greeted with a beautiful 15.6-inch IPS display with Full HD resolution. It has 92% screen to body ratio and 3mm ultra slim bezels, and Asus likes to call it the Nano Edge display. Now below the display you get a full-size backlit keyboard and a pretty huge touchpad. Now for the internal specifications, this laptop sports an Intel Core i7-8565U Whiskey Lake processor. It's an 8th generation Intel CPU with 4 cores and 8 threads with a maximum turbo frequency of 4.6 GHz. It also has a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU with Max-Q design. It has 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB PCIe SSD. It will be running Windows 10 Home Edition right out of the box. Now as for the battery, it has a 73-watt battery, and according to Asus, it can run continuously up to 17 hours depending upon your usage. It also has gigabit class Wi-Fi with up to 1734 Mbps Wi-Fi speed. It has dual stream dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and Harman Kardon audio system. Now all the new Zenbook series laptops come with the new Ergo hinge mechanism that hides the bottom region of the display, elevates the keyboard for comfortable typing. It also improves the cooling system and improves the audio performance. This hinge mechanism is one of the most highlighting features of this laptop. So guys, now for my initial impressions. Laptop obviously looks super sleek, it's awesome to look at, and it's very lightweight, at least for a laptop. Personally, my favorite thing about the laptop is we can open it with just one hand. For most laptops, at least in the budget segment, we need to use 2 hands, so I'm really liking that a lot. The new Ergo design is also a great change. Just raising the laptop even by a tiny bit greatly improves the overall performance. Now for the display, I just love it. If you're a content creator or if you consume a lot of media on your laptop, you're gonna love this display. It looks beautiful, especially with all those tiny bezels all around. Even the display brightness is pretty good, but it has a glossy finish and that might be a problem if you're in a bright environment. Now the speakers on this laptop are not that loud, but they are kinda okay and sound pretty good. Here's a quick sample. Keyboard and trackpad work flawlessly, and we can use the Windows 10 gestures right out of the box. I didn't even have to enable any option, and for some reason backlit for the keyboard was always disabled by default, but we can turn them on quickly by using a quick shortcut, so that was not a major problem. Now one of the most highlighting features of this laptop is the infrared face unlock feature. Once again, it works really well and it is pretty fast. I just wish it had a fingerprint scanner as well. Now coming to gaming, I have tried playing PUBG on this laptop and it ran without any issues, but don't expect the best visuals or the best performance. We can play games and we can even push the laptop to its limits, but then the fan kicks in and makes a lot of noise. So this laptop will definitely not give you the best bang for buck if you're into gaming, but if you're a casual gamer, then yes, you can play games on this laptop. Now finally, the front camera on this laptop is kinda bad and does a pretty bad job in low lighting conditions. Here's the sample footage. So guys, this is the sample footage from the front camera of the Asus laptop, Asus Zenbook 15, and this camera can record only at a maximum of 720p at that to 30 fps. There is no 1080p support, and as you can see, the footage quality and the frame rate is pretty bad. So I'm just gonna move around so you can see all the lag much more clearly. So this is the kind of experience that you can get if you're gonna make a video call from your laptop. So guys, this is an awesome laptop, but it's not for everyone, especially not for gamers. It is probably for developers, content creators, and people who want a Windows PC with great performance in the most compact form factor. For gamers, it's better to check out the gaming laptops. So guys, what do you think about this laptop? Do let us know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy a laptop, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.